Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sole fish. First, let's get our sole fillets ready. It's super important to gently rinse them under cold water and then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that perfect sear. Next, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, make sure your pan or baking sheet is properly preheated to prevent any sticking. Now, let's talk about pan frying, a quick and delicious method. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the seasoned sole fillets in the hot pan. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful golden brown and flake easily with a fork. For an extra touch, add some minced garlic or fresh herbs in the last minute. If you prefer baking, it's a fantastic hands-off approach. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, to ensure even cooking. Arrange your sole fillets in a single layer on a lightly oiled baking sheet. This prevents sticking and promotes even browning. Bake the fish for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until it becomes completely opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork. It's that simple. Your perfectly cooked sole is now ready to enjoy. For a burst of freshness, always serve it immediately with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or dill adds a lovely color and aroma, enhancing the presentation. To complete your meal, pair this delicate fish with light side dishes like steamed asparagus, roasted broccoli, or a crisp green salad. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.